All right, so what problem solving insights from problem one here, candy cane feast. This is December problem one. It's kind of the easiest of USACO problems we'll get. So there's actually not a lot of problem solving insights, but if you read through the problem, um, there's these different height candy canes that are hanging down. So uh, the example inputs here, there's cows of these heights, candy canes of these heights, and if we draw a candy cane here um, with some various heights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This represents, a candy cane that's hanging down with a height of 6. Um, and then the cows are going to come through one at a time and eat as much as they can reach. And so the first cow is a height 3, so he's essentially going to eat all of this. The next cow is shorter, so he won't eat anything, and the final cow will eat, these last two. Um, so yeah, kind of visualizing it, drawing it out helps. But the really only insight there is that, okay, we need to keep track of how much has been eaten already. Whether you think about it as how much is eaten, or or in my code, I was kind of thinking about it, okay, how high is the candy cane hanging off the ground? Either way. Um, so that's one thing, you kind of need to keep track of that. And then the other is that, you know, the candy canes might not all be eaten. So in this example input, they were able to uh, show that this first one, there's still one remaining. So um, I guess the insight there is that it's the minimum of, either how tall the candy cane is, or how tall the cow is. That number decides how much gets eaten. So um, my code actually ended up looking really similar to the example code they put out. A couple loops, just going through each of the candy canes, and then going through the cows with an index, and the starting height of essentially how much has been eaten, or if the candy cane's touching the ground with a starting height of 0. And then, like I said, using the minimum of the candy cane height, or the cow height. And that's it. Like I said, not really a lot of insights needed, but hopefully you solve that.